In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and design an email campaign from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to consider so your message looks polished and professional. Start by opening your email marketing dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Campaigns. This is your home base for everything you create and send. From here, click Create Campaign. When you're asked what type of campaign you'd like to build, select Email. This ensures you're working with the right tools and layout for an email-specific design. Next, enter a campaign name. Choose something clear and consistent, like a short descriptor plus a date or audience tag, so you and your team can find it later. Avoid special characters that can make searches tricky. Once you're set, click Begin. That moves you into the core setup where the design work happens. You'll see a series of sections for building out your email. Head to the Design Email section, then click Design Email. You'll now choose how you want to start. You can pick a template layout, which is great if you want to jump start with a pre-built structure, or you can begin from a blank canvas for full control. Templates save time and help maintain brand consistency, while a blank layout is perfect if you have a very specific look in mind. Inside the editor, use the drag and drop blocks to design your email. Add text blocks for your headline and body copy, keeping paragraphs short and skimmable. Insert image blocks for your logo or product photos, and remember to add descriptive alt text so your message stays readable even if images don't load. Drop in a button block for your primary call to action. Make it short, action-oriented, and easy to tap on mobile. Dividers and spacers help create visual rhythm and breathing room. If available, use social or footer blocks to keep everything tidy and consistent. Aim for a clean hierarchy, a strong headline, a clear supporting sentence, and one main action. Keep contrast high for readability, and stick to 2 or 3 brand colors and fonts. Link your images and buttons to the correct destination, compress images for faster loading, and keep your email width moderate so it looks great on phones and desktops. When you're satisfied with the layout and content, click Save when finished.